Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to apply for NatWest business account or manage business banking via app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to apply for a NatWest business account and manage it via app, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your NatWest banking application by simply downloading it from your app store, or if you're using an Android, download it from your Play Store, then log in with your personal NatWest account. Then next is in the app menu, simply tap on business or open a business account, or if you don't find an option, tap on the profile icon and there you'll find an option that says business banking or open a business account. Then choose the type of business from sole trader, partnership and limited company. Then fill in the business details like business name, address and registration number and contact information. Then submit identification documents like photo ID, passport or driver's license, proof of address and business registration documents for limited companies. NatWest may approve instantly or contact you via verification. Now, in order to manage business account in the app, once your business account is active, you can view balances of all business accounts, check recent transactions, make payments to suppliers, employees or other banks, set up debits or standing orders and deposit check via app camera if supported, and track income and expenses. You can also set up notifications by simply heading over back to the home and then tapping on the bell icon on the top right corner of the screen and enable alerts for last payments, low balances, and incoming transfers. For payments, NatWest may require dual authorization in your account. It has multiple signatories and use secret or mobile ID to approve transactions. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.